Well, I'll bet you're wondering what I'm doing with my backpack sprayer. Early in May, well, what I'm doing is I'm spraying Dormant spray on my apple trees. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first of all, what is it? And this is something organic gardeners will use. It's that harmless or benign to the environment. And what it does is it kills overwintering insects and diseases before your trees become active and flower. It includes these two products right here. One of them is horticultural oil, that's this, and the other is lime sulfur. 1 part oil, 2 parts lime sulfur mixed in about 10 liters of water, and I put them on my back. And then I come over here to this tree. This is an apple tree, and this is my let's back up here. It's my Honey Crisp, not to be confused with Sugar Crisp, which is actually a cereal you probably wouldn't want to eat unless you're a kid. So what I'm going to do is spray with this stuff. It's that mixture I talked about, horticultural oil and lime sulfur combined. The sulfur is the fungicide. The oil, well, it kills overwintering insects by basically smothering them. So they're not poisons per se. They create a condition, let me put it that way, that helps minimize insect and disease problems later on. This saves me a lot of work later on having to spray with insecticidal soap throughout the summer, and also the lime sulfur is pretty good at that too, bringing diseases under control later. The only thing is, you should apply this when temperatures at night are above freezing and before the buds in your trees break. So this is old news for people in Toronto, Zone 6. I'm in my Zone 5 garden. I can do this. In Montreal, Ottawa, Edmonton, many places that are still cold enough that the buds on your trees are nice and tight, this is a good time to get out and apply Dormant spray. Control overwintering insects and diseases. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com. Oh, and it stinks. Did I tell you that?